Hey everybody, welcome back. For the last 10 years I've been putting Christmas lights on my house, and I'm really excited to do it again this year. I know we've been doing lots of camping videos and a few garden videos recently, but for the next probably 6 to 8 weeks I'm hoping to have Christmas light videos and following the process of putting the lights on my house. I plan on doing a weekly video that has the progress of putting all the different lights on my house, so I'm hopefully done by Thanksgiving. I'm going to be hopefully doing a lot of different types of educational and helpful videos during this, so I'll have some videos on the different types of lights that I use, on incandescent bulbs, on LED bulbs, and how to attach lights to your house. Some people have brick, some people have siding. There's ways to go around the window, put lights on your tree, put lights on the roof around the top of your house. So lots of different ways to attach lights to your house, and safety measures and things to look out for. Maybe places to buy your lights. Some of the brands I use, some of the brands I might not like, some of the brands that I do like. So I'm gonna just kind of talk about all the little things that it takes to install lights to your house. I'll also talk about where I get my lights, what lights are worth buying from Amazon, because that's always a good source, or what lights are worth buying online from companies that only sell Christmas lights, holiday lights, and which ones I have used that have been worth the money. I'm sure I'll also do a video of like my top 10 favorite Christmas lights that I use, and I have a lot of lights that I use, so finding 10 that I really like might be useful. There's a lot of little things you do when you put together Christmas lights that you don't think about. It's not just putting them on the house. There's all the little side plug-in cords, all that stuff to worry about, not having too much power, and why some bulbs twinkle and some bulbs don't. This is incandescent, this is LED. So there's a lot of different things that we can talk about. And if you are like me and really enjoy lights, I would love to hear about it, because this is something that I get really excited about this time of year. I do have a lot of residential lights on my house, but I have started to convert to a more professional quality of lights, because I've realized that if you're gonna do this every year, it gets really expensive to buy new ones every year. And so some of the light brands I've had for about 8 years now that still work great. So I'm going to talk about why I think moving to professional lights and away from some of the consumer grade for some of my lights has been very useful. There's a lot of uses for consumer grade lights, but so those are some of the things that I just hope to share with you over the next few months. Custom lights for everything, it just looks so much better, but it takes a little bit of work, and I didn't even know about custom lights until maybe 3 years ago, and I've been doing this, like I said, for 10 years. But adding custom lights will make your house look way better, and it will save you a lot of money. There's a lot of companies now that will come and put lights up on your house for you, which I think is really cool, and it's good because it gives people jobs, but it's something that you can do by yourself, especially for the low end. Sometimes if you have up higher lights, you have to hire somebody. That's fine, be safe. But you can learn how to do windows, you can learn how to do bushes, you can learn how to do around your garage and make it look really cool. We will also talk about Christmas trees. The lights I put on my Christmas tree, I'm going for a vintage look this year, so I'm really excited about that, something I have not done completely in the past. I did a little bit last year. I also have a few videos from last year you can go back and look, but hopefully this year they'll get better as the quality of my videos hopefully will improve as I do this over time, because this was all new to me last year. Still pretty new to me, but I'm enjoying it. So I hope you can follow along. We'll get back to our camping videos after Christmas. There might be a few here and there throughout the fall because we're still going on some camping trips. We're going to use the hot tent, which is a lot of fun. But for the next couple of weeks, we're going to focus on lights and how to put them on your house. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.